open this with you guys.
My goodness. Come sit. Come and sit. I'm gonna be vlogging you guys.
This is Sam and this is Brad.
Take like all of them.
Yeah.
Like controller. Yes. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller.
Hey guys, let's do OOTD. Okay, let's bring this a bit closer. Hey guys, let's do OOTD. This is the fit of the day. And the shoes. Okay. Shirt is from Pick and Pay Clothing. And then my mommy jeans. They are from maroon shirt from Pick and Pay Clothing, and the jeans. They're from Ackermans, Tango. Shoes, guys, and my accessories. The earrings, they're from Mr. Price, and the bangles, they're also from Mr. Price. It's hot. So yeah, basically, that's the OOTD. OOTD.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. When it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way, trying to control our emotions. If we on
Speed. Này shop các bạn đó. Chữ.
If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. I separate with.
Hey guys, today is Tuesday. I'll be on my way to Papachinos. I just wanted to do a quick video, just to come and get you guys. I'm done. I've been done for the longest time. We've got a lot of We've got a lot of catching up to do, me and you guys. Sisterhood was in the house. Come on now. She was in the house. Yes, I would tell you about it. But thank you so much, Shami, for coming. We love you and we see you. Sana, I was happy. My heart is full. All the way from Zim. She came here to do some of the things. Then she was not far away from me. She was 13 minutes away from me, actually. So yesterday she came to see me and we really had an hour or so good time. So yeah, today is Tuesday. We are gonna go to Papachinos with Luna and the twins mom. Yeah, we're gonna go to celebrate. It's a pre-birthday celebration. Yo, Luna won't allow me to talk. It's a pre-celebration birthday. They're turning 2 years on the 18th of They're turning 2 years on the 18th of December, and tomorrow they're going to Zim, which is Wednesday. So we're gonna do it today. I already got them gift. So yeah, Papachinos there by 4 ways, also not far from me, so which is good. So yeah, I think they said they're 15 minutes away. They come with my dad. My dad is very slow like me. Hey, we prepare. They said they'll be on their way around 9. Now it's about 2:12, and I'm hungry. I haven't eaten. I did put Luna his cereals, so now I just need to drink a lot of water and get Compral for myself because I'll be feeling dizzy. I'm hungry. I just want to drink water. Yeah, also trying to maintain my tummy band before October. Congratulations. So yeah, this one is coming up. These are the gifts for them. Yeah, let me go there at the gate.
Look at it. Hey.
What's up? What's up, bro?
I want to take his face. Luna. Hi. Oh no. Luna. You're supposed to slide, not to climb.
Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, hey.
Thank you. She does have.
Are you ladies ready to have tomorrow?
Yeah.
Subscribe to my sister's channel.
Luna. Oh my goodness.
Wait.
Come sit. Come and sit. What are you, he's ready to take the order.
I'm just gonna get it.
Can I have classic margarita?
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friend.
Say hi, Luna. Martin Maka, they're playing. They don't need. Where are they? Oh, Martin Maka, they're playing that side. Don't know if I'll be able to take nice pictures because it's raining. The weather. There's no sun. There's no sun. I'm gonna be vlogging you guys. Mats and Maka, the only behaved girls. Not Gumshaya, no. And this Luna's food, they divided their food. So we ordered separate things. Pizza, what, and spaghetti and bolognese. So I ordered food. I ordered this classic margarita pizza.
I ordered the Super Mario.
And then she also ordered a pizza as well.
Our Robo pizza.
Yeah. Those two Shema, they can eat. Not this crazy one. She's even shirtless.
Do you take like all of them?
Yeah. She wants meat, that's the problem. That's not. Makamati.
Say cheese, macaroni, say cheese. Macaroni. You can eat pizza all day.
Look at this one.
She's eating with you. No, come. Sit down. Don't do that.
Dance in the back of my roller, we gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Guys, catering services. I'll leave the numbers in the description box. We just arrived, so she's gonna put everything in here. And there's the caterer then. Yay! You should book
Come,
it.
guys.
Yes.
Come. You can sweet and sour delights.
Thank you.
Hey guys, please follow me on Instagram, Sweet and Sour Delights. I'm your catering bae
And then
for all events.
I'll put the link of her IG and her numbers.
Yes. And don't forget to like, share,
And comment.
subscribe.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yes.
Find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we gon' jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
church. Thank you. Can you see that? You have to sit down. You can't see. You want to see her face. Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Praise. I know Faro from church.
Hi everyone. My name is Jennifer Mbesa, and I knew Mufaro's husband, his brother, older brother. We were youth together in Cape Town, and then that's
Everyone, my name is Majvita Jane, and Metz is my surname. I know Faro from church. We went out a couple of times, but she's a lovely lady.
And another woman that can take your spotlight.
The parent is a good parent, just through the child. So your children, what they portray outside there, portrays your image. Hallelujah. So parenting is a process of raising a child, facilitating and bringing a child through different stages, from secondary to university to the time they are independent on their own. And what you know, when a child comes out of the womb, the child does not have anything in his mind. It's you, the mother, who is supposed to install what the child is going to move on with as he grows up. So what you are going to teach your children from birth up until now is very important, isn't it? So that's why I'm saying it's important to have a good mother who is respectful and who is, there for her children all the time. So you are there to care and nurture your children, to fulfill all the responsibilities, accompanying a child, even at school, you are supposed to assess the way the child is performing. You are supposed to be a mother full of jealous of her children. What is it that they go through, they read? What is it that they are taught at school? Be interested. Some parents, they are not even interested in their children. Even to know that the child has done homework, she hasn't done homework, they are not even interested. They don't even care. But as a responsible parent, you should assess and see what your children go through all the time and every.
This is Sam, and this is rice. Yeah. And then these are just mixed veggies. And this is beef stew. Ooh la la. Okay. And this is the meat. This is spinach. That's about.
And another woman that can take your spotlight.
Okay, so when you're in the bathroom and you want to change the baby, where do you change the baby? There's no bed. Where do you change the baby?
Changing mat.
A mat, but if it's not a mat, it's a setup like this. It's a setup where you put food, but for a baby, it's a
Table.
yes. What do you do when you're pregnant and then you are doing your flexible and
Yoga.
Yes, pregnancy yoga. And then what are we doing now? What are we at?
Baby shower.
Okay. When you give birth, there are two types of giving birth: natural birth and
Cesarean.
Okay, let's say when you're at work, you're pregnant, and then you're given what?
Maternity leave.
Everything correct within 40 seconds. Oh!
Wipe. Thank you. Yes. It's a bed. No, a rocking thing. Yeah, but go to the next one. It's fine. Explain more. Yes.
Time up.
Hi, time is up, buddy. Time up, guys.
Yes.
So I can. Do we have a thing?
Wait. Now we're doing 30 seconds, right? 30 seconds. I'll tell you to.
start. The old generation, please, when you change your baby diaper, what is it that you put? It's white. No, it's white. Yes. When you're taking your baby to where you pay. Baby clinic. No, where you pay money for your baby to be taken care of. Pediatrician. No. Daycare. What is it that you when your baby's hot and something that you place to test? When you're pregnant and your baby's not sitting in the right position, it's called. What is that? Bridge. I'm looking at Faith. I was shouting.
Okay, one. Going next. From this group, one more.
And I'm abused again. No.
I will not be able to explain.
That's old generation versus old generation. So one from the mothers. Okay. Wait.
Start. What is it that you use when you don't want your baby to pee on themselves? When you want them to leave diaper. Okay. The visits that you go, not visits, but the places that you go to do checkups and yes. The thing that has to fall after a week or so on the
umbilical cord.
The thing that you use for your babies when something's happening in their mouth, when something's coming out of their mouth.
Cheetah.
Oh, the cheetah.
We are cruising. Nice.
We can do a step back.
Shock queens.
extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.
Come to find out, everybody everybody Can you believe that? Everybody ate. Guess what? Everybody. Can you believe that? Everybody.
From the very bottom of my heart, thank you for doing this. I had my first baby during COVID, so I never had this experience. So thank you so much. My church family, thank you so much. My mothers, thank you. Yes, and she even came with other mothers, and we had fun, we were advised, we learned. But thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you all. Thank you.
You guys, hello guys. It's Saturday and we're at a baby shower in Centurion. I'll talk to you when I get home. I'm going home now. So yeah. We'll talk, but we had fun.
When it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe.
Hey guys, we're back from the baby shower. I'm tired and I'm so glad this was the last event I had to attend this festive season. Yeah, I had a lobola to attend, but still for another day. I wanna open this with you guys. Yeah, this Christmas, yeah, it's from, it came from my husband, Nandichin, who year-end function. Let me see if this phone is still, because it's on low. Oh yeah, it's still on. So those who drink, you can come at my house. We have the chocolate block, 2023. It's recent, vintage, 40 hair barrel sana, made, matured and bottled by what South Africa. So yeah, there's the chocolates. I like to believe there's a chocolate says Merry Christmas. Huh? Okay, this is a Glenhof chocolates. Yeah, assorted chocolate, 4 pieces inside, says Merry Christmas. And last but not least, I already opened this, but like not actually opened the actual thing. It's a 7-set excellent houseware. It's 5-piece serving set. This is giving picnic. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's giving picnic vibes. So yeah, let me actually open this with you guys. I don't know what this is, like I have no idea. Open one, and it looks like it's those tumbler. Is it a tumbler? It's a tumbler with glass that breaks. Yeah, I just want to give you a quick update before my phone switches off about baby shower. We had a good time and we played some games. The weather woke up the weather was very cold. Not very cold, but like it was raining, as you can see outside. The sun started coming, not even the sun. Yes, Luna. Yeah? Okay. The sun started coming out a bit later. We had fun, we played some games, 30 seconds, and I feel like the MC kind of rocked us. Go! It did us dirty. But they said that the team that lost, but I don't know how we lost because I was very fast. But anyway. So we had a good time, we are back now. I left Luna at Ambia's place with Tadwa and Notle. Sekura was also there, which I didn't know, but was actually nice. We got to spend time with Luna. Tadiwa. Yes, you said she's been saying Tadiwa. Luna loves Tadiwa. But yeah, we had a good time. She had the baby shower, the mom to be. There was also the issue to tell us if the baby, the gender. I don't know if I should tell you guys, but that's not actually my business. I don't think I should tell you the gender, but it's like, yeah, the gender, they said that it's a boy. Very, very nice. Yes, we had a good time, Shem. We played games, we took pictures, we danced, we did it was nice. I'm actually taking off this. I think I need to cook. Let me actually call Luna's dad and ask if I should cook, because I thought he would be home by now. So yeah, we are back in me and my child. Thank you so much, Hadiwa and Nontle, for babysitting this girl, because there's no way I'm pulling up to a party with a baby. Now I'm not free. I saw the sun.
I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way.